Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to see how we can add and remove more columns and rows to an existing table. We will discuss about two different options to insert and three different options to delete columns and rows in a already created table. First, we will see how to add columns to an existing table. So in this sample table, I have to add two more columns in between mark 1 and total. So first option is by right clicking. So I can click inside total. Then I right click in total. I will select the option insert. I'm clicking on insert column to the left because I need two columns before the total. So insert column to the left. I'm right clicking again, insert a column to the left. So this time I click inside total, then I right click in total, I pick the option insert a column to the left. Now if I am clicking inside mark 1, then I will right click, insert a column to the right because I need this before the total column. Right clicking in mark 1, insert a column to the right. So this is the first option to add more columns into a existing table. Now let us see what is the second option to add more columns. I'm clicking inside a total. This time instead of right clicking, we'll make use of the layout tab. In layout tab, we can see a command insert left. So I'm clicking on insert left, so that two columns are added here. I can do this in the same way after clicking in mark 1 also. If I am clicking in mark 1, I will select layout tab, insert right, insert right, insert right. So two columns are added here. So these are the two options to add more columns to an existing table. Let us see how to add rows to a table. So here in the sample table, I want to add two more rows in between 102 and 105. So first of all, I'm clicking inside 105. We will see what are the two different options. One is I can right click in 105. Then I select the option insert rows above. This is one option. Otherwise, I can click inside 105, layout tab, insert above option is here, so that I can add here 104. Now, if I am clicking in 102, I can right click, insert rows below is an option. Otherwise, we can click inside 102, layout, insert below is also available. So for adding rows also, we can either add by right clicking, or we can make use of the layout tab, insert above or insert below. So here I'm adding 103. So we added two rows in between 102 and 105. Next is the different options to delete columns and rows. For deleting a column, we'll select the column. First option is by right clicking on the selected column. We can delete the column from this drop down button. Delete column is available, or after right clicking we can make use of the delete column from this menu also. This is one option to delete a column from the table. Second option is after highlighting that column, we'll make use of this layout tab, delete drop down button and delete column. Now the third method is from the keyboard, after selecting the column, we will press the backspace key on the keyboard to delete a column. Now for deleting the rows, we will use the same three different options here. Say I want to delete this 104, the row in which 104 is entered. So I will select the row. Then I can right click, make use of this delete row. Otherwise, after highlighting, we'll use this layout tab, delete rows option. Another one is after highlighting the row, press the backspace key on your keyboard. So we can remove or delete a row in any of these three ways. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more useful videos.